Okay, so let's see what's inside the box, what you get. There's the dustpan here. A little book on how to install it. A very long handle. This is a very soft and foamy grip, so that's pretty nice. Of course, the brush here, which you can tilt. And you have the dustpan here with the brushes. So you can make sure there's nothing left in your brush when you clean this. So that's all pretty nice. So let's go and put this together. Okay, so you can make this as long as you want. You can remove one piece if you're not that long. It screws on pretty easily. So, and this one is for the brush here. And you can click that on very easily until you hit a click. So that is a nice brush. And the other set is for the dustpan itself. Same thing, screw those on. And the end is what clicks into the dustpan here. So, and let's see that in action. You can easily scoop that out. So this is actually pretty long. I think I'm going to remove one piece here. So, and that will still be long enough for me. So it's pretty great that you have the option on how long you want this to be, because I'm pretty large, but even then the stick is too long for me. So really anyone can use this. It's easy to scoop up everything, and once you're done, you just clip the handle onto the dustpan and you can set this away. So I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a nice clean dustpan.